Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming both accounts are ready. This avoids permission loops. Sign into Garmin Connect on your phone and confirm Bluetooth and background refresh are enabled so device data can upload automatically. Next, open TrainingPeaks and sign in. Make sure you can see your training plan or athlete profile if you coach multiple people. Once done, keep both apps open and stay signed in. This lets you link services without repeated authentication and speeds the next steps. You will now create the connection. In TrainingPeaks, go to Account Settings, choose Apps and Devices, and select Garmin Connect. When prompted, Garmin Connect opens an authorization screen. Grant read and write permissions so TrainingPeaks can import activity files and metrics. Make sure you accept all requested scopes, otherwise data like heart rate won't sync. Once done, return to TrainingPeaks and confirm the connection shows as active and automatic import is enabled so future work. Finish by verifying an actual sync. Record a short activity on your Garmin, sync it to Garmin Connect, and then check TrainingPeaks for the imported workout. If it doesn't appear, reauthorize the Garmin Connect link in TrainingPeaks and confirm both apps have necessary permissions and matching time zones. Make sure the device has recent firmware. If problems persist, force a sync in the Garmin app and power cycle the watch. Often waiting up to 15 minutes resolves background transfer delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.